Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Kdenlive for free. So let's go ahead and go to google.com and let's search Kdenlive. So it should be the first result you see, kdenlive.org, and on their webpage, let's go ahead and click download, and then let's go click on the Windows installable. So I should finish downloading in just a few minutes. Let's click on it and the installer should run. Let's go ahead and click next, set up the installation path, and let's give it a minute or two to finish installing. There we go. Let's click on finish and we should have Kdenlive successfully installed on our system. Let's give it a quick run, see whether it's working properly. There we go. So we've started up Kdenlive and we've got the quick setup. So these look good. This changes to 60 FPS probably. And this can always be changed later in the settings. It says right at the bottom. Let's go ahead and click start editing. This should open up our first project with Kdenlive. And there we go. So here's the Kdenlive interface. Looks very reminiscent of Adobe Premiere Pro and maybe even DaVinci Resolve. We've got our monitors in the middle and at the right, our media browser here at the left, project bin, or so it's called, and our timeline here at the bottom. They've got a few different tabs, just like DaVinci Resolve, which is always nice to see. So that's how you can download and install Kdenlive and run it for the first time. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.